Here's an update on heavy wet snow that we expect across southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and far southwest Wisconsin from tonight into Saturday morning. The winter storm watch, which was in effect for these areas, has been replaced with either a winter storm warning or winter weather advisory from 7 p.m. this evening to noon on Saturday. In the winter storm warning area, we're looking at 48 inches with locally totals up to 10 inches. Meanwhile, in the winter weather advisory, we expect snow totals of 2 to 4 inches with local totals up to 6 inches. Here's a quick look as far as where our headlines are located right now. In the pink areas, we have winter storm warnings, and in the purple areas, we have winter weather advisories. Again, in the winter storm warning area, we're expecting snow totals of 48 inches with local totals up to 10 inches. And in the winter weather advisories, 2 to 4 inches with local totals up to 6 inches. Here's our latest snow forecast. It has shifted a little further to the southwest overnight. We're expecting 6 to 8 inches, locally up to 10 inches, generally south of a line from Dodge Center to Dubuque, Iowa. These snow totals rapidly decrease as you approach the Mississippi River. Here's the timeline for this evening. We expect rain changing quickly to accumulating snow by mid to late evening. The heaviest snow period looks to be overnight tonight into early Saturday morning. Roads are expected to become snow-covered and slippery. During the late morning on Saturday, we expect the snow to taper off. Again, the total snow accumulations in the winter storm warning are 4 to 8 inches, locally up to 10 inches, and in the winter weather advisories, 2 to 4 inches with local totals up to 6 inches. Again, we expect snow-covered and slippery roads from tonight into Saturday. We expect minor tree damage possible from the heavy, wet snow and winds. Due to the snow being heavy and wet, caution is advised shoveling it. Again, in the winter storm warning area, we expect snow totals of 48 inches with local totals up to 10 inches. In the winter weather advisories, 2 to 4 inches with local totals up to 6 inches. The highest snow totals will be south of a Dodge Center to Dubuque, Iowa line. As far as timing of the heaviest snow, it will fall overnight tonight into early Saturday morning. Thanks for listening.